Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theories. If you want to study the notes of this lecture or MCQs related with this topic, just click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our offline and online classes for UGC NET English, so stay tuned with us. Now let us start with our term blank verse. Blank verse, a metrical form of poetry, is characterized by lines of iambic pentameter that are unrhymed, hence the term blank. It was introduced by the Earl of Surrey in the mid-16th century and quickly became a popular and versatile choice for English poets. This form closely resembles the natural rhythms of English speech, making it flexible and adaptable to various levels of discourse. As a result, it has been more frequently and diversely used than any other type of versification in English language. One of the earliest examples of blank verse is found in the translations of Book 2 and 4 of Virgil's The Aeneid by the Earl of Surrey around 1540. However, its significance extended far beyond mere translation, as it soon became the standard meter for Elizabethan and later poetic drama. The blank verse form's adaptability to dramatic dialogues and monologues made it the medium of choice for playwrights like William Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe. Even in the 20th century, free-form blank verse continued to thrive in verse plays written by Maxwell Anderson and T.S. Eliot. Many renowned poets from different eras have employed blank verse in their significant works. John Milton's epic Paradise Lost is an exemplar of the form's grandeur and solemnity. James Thomson utilized blank verse for his descriptive and philosophical masterpiece The Seasons. William Wordsworth employed it in his autobiographical Prelude to convey the intimate and reflective aspects of his life. Alfred Lord Tennyson used blank verse effectively in the narrative Idylls of the King, while Robert Browning showcased its versatility in The Ring and the Book and many of his dramatic monologues. T.S. Eliot also employed blank verse extensively in The Waste Land, adding a modern twist to this traditional form. Moreover, blank verse has been a popular choice for meditative and introspective lyrics, especially during the Romantic period and beyond. Coleridge's Frost at Midnight, Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey, Tennyson's Tears, Idle Tears, and Wallace Stevenson's Sunday Morning are notable examples of such poems where blank verse allows the poets to delve into their thoughts and emotions with a natural flow and rhythm. Divisions within blank verse poems are known as verse paragraphs, which are used to structure and set off sustained passages of thought or emotion. For example, in Milton's Paradise Lost, the opening verse paragraph of 26 lines commences with "of man's first disobedience" and concludes with "and justify the ways of God to men." Similarly, Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey opens with a verse paragraph of 22 lines that begins with "5 years have passed, 5 summers with length," and sets the reflective tone of the poem. In conclusion, blank verse stands as a versatile and enduring form of poetry in English language. Its natural rhythms and flexibility have made it preferred choice for playwrights, epic poets, and lyricists alike, allowing them to express a wide range of emotions and ideas. From its earliest usage in the 16th century to its continued presence in modern literature, blank verse remains a significant and influential component of English poetry. So this was the discussion on the term blank verse. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.